In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then select Languages and Input at the top. Scroll down a tiny bit and click on On-Screen Keyboard. Then tap on Keyboard. And finally access text correction over here. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to. If you wish to access text correction options right away in the future, you can enable this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip if it's not already on. Then access your keyboard and click on gear icon at the top of it to access text correction right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!